Alright, so my 2011 Ford Fiesta has a new sound. So when I press the recirculate button on the heat and air conditioning controls, it will start snapping. Alright, so that is going to be the actuator for the recirculation. So it directs the vent either to pull air from the outside or recirculate it inside. And that's located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. Alright, let's see if we can see anything behind the glove box. There we go. Okay, alright, so right here this is the actuator down here where this red plug is plugged in, and you can see when I press the recirc button, that moves, and it moves in that position. That seems okay, right? And then when I move it down, it kind of clicks there. Doesn't really seem like it should be trying to go any farther than that, but that's what the clicking is from. So we're gonna pull this actuator out. I believe there's just 2 screws, maybe 3. There's one here and one here that I can see. Ugh. And then this plug. So to unplug it, you pull the red tab out, and then you can. Then there's a little button here that you can, or a tab that you can press in and unplug it. Okay, so that's step 1, and now we got to get. I believe these are Torx T20 Torx bit. And now I'm going to try and get that's one back there. You can kind of see the silver thing just over the corner. Got it. All right, now is there another one? I don't think so. No, there, and that just comes out. Kind of looks like maybe it's not lined up right. Like if you see right there, that should be where the missing tooth is, where that arrow is. And it doesn't look like it's quite lined up right. May have just jumped and gotten misaligned. Alright, and now on the new one, you can see that that arrow is pointing right to where that tooth is missing. So that one looks like maybe it's lined up a little bit better, but let's clean out some of the fuzz and get this one in. Let's see. Come on. Get in there. All right. Okay, that's in. Just gotta do the back one. Watch. All right, that tested successful. Let's finish putting this in. All right, that looks good. Clips in. There we go. Now that's secured. So if I do, there we go. If I hit the recirc button, it opens and closes like it should. No clicking and popping. I think we got that straightened out. All right, we'll put the glove box back. And there's just some, these little grabbers here have to go on to, there's little pipes there, little rods. Alright, so now when I turn the key on, so no more tapping, but I still do get the vibration sound from, I think that there is something that is obstructing the blend door, so that's dealing with the actuator that's on the other side of the car over here on the driver's side. So I do have a video where I do have a video where I did address that, and got it kind of working, but it's still making noise. So I think that like I said, I think that there is something obstructing the blend door, and that's why it's making that noise. So in order to clear that, I have to take a whole lot of stuff apart. So we'll have to see if I'm going to do that in the future or not. I might just live with it. All right, so if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.